Gone another days and out of the window, staring at the sun she just can't touch. And if at any time it's in the gym, she'll be by her side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. All because he makes his money the best way he knows how. The other body laying cold in the ground. Listen to me, don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. A little precious has a natural obsession, got temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him love and then his body can't handle, but all he can say, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse at me. He doesn't recognize his own face. His hair is fading and he doesn't know how. His head took him to his mind, no resting place. Don't hit me, don't go chasing waterfalls. Please get to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many stones. I saw me down, leaving a trace of oh God, get right. Is it because my last 10 years are great? I prayed a 10 fade away, so I'm praising for the sunny day. And like his promise is true, I'll leave my faith in dreams. The many chances I've blue to bring myself to a need. Dreams only unconditional. Stars are bright, tears from my eyes, no balloon cries. My old and faded hope is for the folk who can't cope. Position and dark, no pain that it keeps him in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for taking care into your own thing? What a shame, you shouldn't aim someone else's pretty pain. These and then this day, I'm afraid to call my heart. It's gonna be all my dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you. Chasing waterfalls, please stick to the